Calcutta High Court is currently hearing a plea filed by Suvendhu Adhikari, the leader of the opposition in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly. This plea has brought to the forefront a series of pressing issues that have long been simmering beneath the surface in the state. Adhikari's petition alleges violence against Hindus and Sikhs in West Bengal. These allegations are not just isolated incidents, but part of a larger pattern of communal unrest that has been a cause of concern for many years. This case has garnered significant attention, drawing the eyes of the nation to the steps being taken to address these serious allegations. The media coverage has been extensive, with reporters and news channels providing continuous updates on the proceedings. It raises concerns about communal harmony and the role of the state in ensuring the safety of all its citizens. The fabric of communal harmony in West Bengal has been tested repeatedly, and this case could be a turning point in how such issues are handled in the future. The plea, fraught with political undertones, has put the spotlight on the recurring incidents of communal violence that have plagued the state. These incidents have not only caused physical harm, but have also left deep scars on the social and cultural landscape of West Bengal. The court's intervention is seen as crucial in addressing these sensitive issues and ensuring justice for the affected communities. The judiciary's role in such matters is pivotal, as it can provide a neutral ground for the resolution of conflicts that have far-reaching implications. As the case unfolds, it is imperative to delve into the intricacies of the allegations, the responses from both the petitioner and the state government, and the potential ramifications of the court's verdict. Each argument presented in court will be scrutinized, and the evidence will be meticulously examined to ensure a fair and just outcome. The outcome of this case has the potential to set a precedent for future instances of communal violence. A landmark verdict could pave the way for more stringent measures to prevent such incidents and protect vulnerable communities. It could redefine the relationship between the state and its citizens, particularly in terms of safeguarding minority rights. The implications of this case extend beyond the immediate parties involved, touching upon the broader principles of justice, equality, and the rule of law. The following sections will provide a comprehensive analysis of the case, examining the allegations, the legal arguments, and the broader implications for communal harmony in West Bengal. We will explore the historical context, the current state of affairs, and the potential future scenarios that could emerge from this pivotal legal battle. Suvendhu Adhikari, a prominent figure in West Bengal politics, has been a significant player in the state's political arena for many years. Known for his dynamic speeches and strong leadership qualities, Adhikari has carved out a niche for himself. He is known for his staunch stance against the ruling Trinamool Congress, or TMC. His opposition to the TMC has been vocal and unwavering, often leading to heated debates and confrontations. Adhikari is a former TMC leader who switched to the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) in 2020. This move was seen as a major political shift and sent shockwaves through the political corridors of West Bengal. This move significantly impacted the political landscape of West Bengal. The BJP, which was looking to make inroads into the state, found in Adhikari a strong and influential ally. Adhikari's petition to the Calcutta High Court is seen by some as a strategic move to further his political agenda. The petition has sparked a lot of discussions and debates among political analysts and the general public alike. His critics argue that he is attempting to exploit the issue of communal violence to gain political mileage. They believe that his actions are more about political gain than genuine concern for the affected communities. However, Adhikari's supporters maintain that he is genuinely concerned about the safety and security of Hindus and Sikhs in the state. They argue that his actions are driven by a sincere desire to protect these communities from harm. They argue that his plea is a reflection of the growing anxieties within these communities, who feel increasingly marginalized and vulnerable. The sense of insecurity among these groups has been a topic of concern for many. These communities, who have historically faced challenges, now feel even more threatened in the current political climate. Adhikari's supporters believe that his actions are a necessary step to address these concerns. The truth, as always, likely lies somewhere in between these two extremes. While some see his actions as politically motivated, others view them as a genuine attempt to address real issues. It is important to note that Adhikari's political background adds another layer of complexity to the case. His long history with the TMC and his subsequent switch to the BJP have made him a controversial figure. His history with the ruling party and his current position as a prominent opposition leader inevitably color the narrative surrounding the plea. As the political landscape continues to evolve, Adhikari's actions and their implications will undoubtedly remain a topic of intense scrutiny and debate. The Calcutta High Court's decision to hear Adhikari's plea is indeed significant. It indicates the court's willingness to engage with sensitive issues related to communal violence. The court has sought a response from the West Bengal government, signaling that the allegations made are serious enough to warrant an investigation. This development has been welcomed by many, particularly those who believe that the state government has not done enough to address the issue of communal violence. They see the court's intervention as a ray of hope, a potential catalyst for change in a state often marred by political polarization and communal tensions. The court's involvement has also led to increased scrutiny of the law enforcement agencies and their response to incidents of communal violence. The judiciary's role in such cases is crucial. It serves as a check on the executive branch and ensures that justice is served, regardless of political affiliations. Adhikari's plea outlines a series of disturbing allegations, painting a harrowing picture of the current situation in West Bengal. He claims that Hindus and Sikhs in West Bengal have been subjected to targeted attacks, including physical assaults, vandalism of property, and other forms of intimidation. The desecration of religious places, such as temples and gurdwaras, has left communities in shock and despair. He further alleges that these incidents are not isolated, but part of a larger, more sinister pattern of violence against these communities, suggesting a coordinated effort to instill fear and division. The plea also points fingers at the state government, accusing it of inaction and apathy, and failing to uphold its duty to protect all citizens. Adhikari claims that the police have often turned a blind eye to the plight of the victims, ignoring their cries for help and failing to take necessary action. The police's failure to take adequate measures to prevent such incidents from occurring has only exacerbated the situation, leaving communities feeling vulnerable and abandoned. Furthermore, the plea highlights several instances where the perpetrators of violence have allegedly enjoyed political patronage, receiving support and protection from influential figures. This alleged political backing has emboldened the perpetrators, allowing them to act with impunity and without fear of repercussions. These allegations paint a grim picture of the state of law and order in West Bengal, suggesting a breakdown in the very institutions meant to safeguard the public. They raise serious questions about the government's commitment to protecting the rights and safety of all its citizens, and whether it is truly serving the interests of the people. Regardless of their religious beliefs, every citizen deserves to live in peace and security. The plea calls for immediate action to address these issues and restore faith in the state's ability to protect its people.